Okay, let's try a little experiment in inertial navigation. How do things move from one place to another? Well, they oftentimes use inertial measurement unit, IMU. They used to be really expensive, now they're cheap. We've got one in our phone. I'm showing an example here. I'm using Physics Toolbox Suite. It is a nice program, and what Physics Toolbox Suite does is gives you access to your entire phone set of sensors. What I've done here, I'm in the, oh, what happened there? Okay. I'm in the Physics Toolbox Suite app. So let's go to the Physics Toolbox Suite app. We will, one of the things that we see when we get to the Physics Toolbox Suite is that it's got the accelerometers on it. And we'll talk a little bit more about the accelerometers. So one of the things we can see, look at that little green one. See how that went up to what? 1G. Well, 1G makes sense in this case because that's the force of gravity. So you see if I go down, if I tip it down, you'll see that the blue one went up to 1G and the green one went down. So now I know that the blue axis is pointing straight down. The blue axis is in my phone, going in and out of my phone. Let's see. Which one? The green axis now is pointing right straight down from my thumb. That's the green axis. So I can go through and calibrate. I can validate my sensors that way. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up here. I let it time out. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to scroll up to multi-record. Now you can test these things out. I just tested out. It looks like both G-force and linear accelerometer seem to do the same thing, which put out vectors of time, acceleration in the X, acceleration in Y, and acceleration in the Z. So we'll just touch linear accelerometer, and then we'll also just touch the gyroscope. So now we're ready to make a little experiment. So there will be some messy data on here at the beginning, and you'll see what I've done here. I've made myself a square, and since I used a meter stick, I'm reasonably certain that my square is 1 meter square. Okay, so let's put this down. Okay, let's go this way. Let's make it, so if this is my car, I'm going to have my car, and I'm going to have my car driving this way. So I'm going to let this sit here for a little while, because what I want to do is I want to make sure I know where my data starts. So I'm going to let that sit here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 seconds. 1, 9, 10. Okay, so now let's go. My car's going to go. So it just accelerated and decelerated. About 1 meter, so I know how far that is. Now I'm going to turn my car. Beep. That was a pretty fast turn, right? And now I'm going to accelerate my car one more time. 1, 2, 3, go! So that was about 1 meter. And now I'm going to just like go, okay, turn one more time, right? This time my car's going to drive slow. Da 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 da. Hey, let's stop off at the bar. Okay, we'll stop off at the bar. Glug 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 glug. All right. Now this time. Woo 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 woo. Popo coming. Okay. Hands in the air. Feet spread apart. All right. So what we've done here is we've driven our car in a 1 meter square. We've taken accelerometer data while we do that. Hopefully, I see my phone shut itself off. I might have to do this all over again with my, my phone turn yourself off mode longer than what I had. We'll get the data though now.